Good morning everyone, this is Chef Anshuman Gomes here from Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, Kolkata. We have a Chef Arpon De with us.
Thank you so much, people who are seeing here, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. Okay, so today as sir said that we are going to make an Indo-Chinese fusion food. Right? Indo-Chinese fusion food. We are making tofu stuffed spine gourd in Szechuan sauce. Okay, tofu stuffed spine gourd in Szechuan sauce. So without any delay, let us start.
Let's start. Yeah, surely.
Okay. So for first come first, we will switch on the induction. Put it at 1200. Put some white oil or refined oil. Very little bit. Now, in the meantime, when the oil is getting heated up, we'll make the mixture. Take a bowl. Put some grated tofu. Okay. So we have grated the tofu. Other than that, we need some garlic. We need some ginger. We need some chili flakes, white sesame toasted, black pepper powder, salt, a little bit of corn flour and spring onions and some vegetables for giving a good toss to the sauce. Right? Okay, now we'll add some chili flakes into it. Add some chili flakes, some spring onions, lovely, some sesame, toasted sesame, little bit of salt, some black pepper powder. Okay, so mix the stuffing, do it very, very gently, huh? Very, very gently. Okay, this is the stuffing for spine gourd. Okay, now we will stuff it. So Arman, can you please stuff it? So is it done? Okay, so once you are done with this, just give a gentle puff here, puff there and put it into heat. Okay?
Stuff it.
Stuffing more?
Yeah.
Yeah,
keep
stuff
on
it,
stuffing.
stuff it. Keep on stuffing. Okay, give another puff. Here's the second puff. And here is the third one. This, we will not stuff it. We will just...
For the presentation, right?
For the presentation, yes. Down here. We will take out this pan and we'll keep it here. Let the heat of the oil do the rest. For the sauce, first come first, what we need is, we will put some oil. Okay? Now we need to heat the oil. Okay, so now what we'll do is, we'll put some ginger, chopped ginger, little bit of chopped garlic. Okay? And what we need to do is, we need to give a nice toss, but we will not make it brown. Okay, now what we'll do is, we have got the vegetables, you know, different type of bell peppers, some onions, we'll put it straight away here. We'll add little bit of salt, little bit of black pepper powder, very little chili flakes. If you want more, you can put some more. Put it here and like this. Done? Okay, now give the heat. Once you take off, the heat goes on. Right? So this is done. Now, what we'll do is, we'll put some vinegar. Okay? Very little vinegar. Okay? Some soy sauce. Be very, very vigilant when you are using soy sauce because your stuffing is having salt, your Szechuan sauce is having salt and soy sauce is also having salt. So it's saltier in nature. Right? Done? We'll put some Szechuan sauce and finally some tomato ketchup. No, it's not for the spiciness, it will give you a little bit of sweetness, the tanginess, okay? And we will finish it with some honey, okay? Give a nice toss, okay? So our sauce is almost ready. What we'll do is, finally, we'll add some honey. Okay. So Arman, are we done? Our sauce is done because we will apply some spring onions. Please put some spring onions. Some more. Very nice. I am a very much die-hard lover of spring onions, so I like spring onion a lot. Right? Is it done? Now what we'll do? Can you please, sir, can you please hand over the tongs? Yes. Thank you. Now here goes your stuffed spine gourd. Be very, very gentle. Be very, very gentle. All the sauces get mixed with it. Can we plate, sir?
Surely, surely, go ahead.
Okay, let us plate. It's done. Okay. Okay. This is the thing. So we'll put the spring onions, some toasted sesame. This is how you make tofu stuffed spine gourd in Szechuan sauce. Sir,
excellent presentation, Arpan. Excellent presentation. Thank you, Arpan, for such a good starter. Okay.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Now we are back. We are going to make a Korean noodle bowl. So over to you, Arpan.
Thank you, sir. So I guess now you people know me, that I am Chef Arpan De, and I am the alumni of this college. Okay. So first come first, what we need to do for making Korean noodle bowl is, firstly, we'll switch on the induction and we'll put the chicken stock.
Right.
Okay. This is a chicken stock. So I'm using chicken stock. And what is chicken stock and how chicken stock is made? A very, very common question that can come. How chicken stock is made? Nothing. Just put some water, some bones, chicken bones. If you get some vegetables, put that in there. If you have some bouquet garni, okay, we'll put some flavorings into it and we keep it for boiling. Okay, you'll get a very, very nice, flavorful liquid out of it. So okay, so our chicken stock is hot. Okay, the chicken stock is done. Now what we'll do is we'll put the boiled noodles. So can I please have the tongs?
Surely.
So we'll put the noodles.
So basically the base of our kitchen, the fondue is known as the stock. Fondue cuisine is the base of the kitchen. So it's mandatory to have a very good concentrated stock. The better the stock is, the better taste will the soup or the sauce will be, right?
Yes, absolutely. Now what we'll do is we'll put some salt. Okay, little bit of salt. It's absolutely to taste. Okay, some salt. I'll add some burnt garlic paste. Okay, this is the burnt garlic paste that I'm adding. This will give you a very nice, garlicky flavor into it.
Arpan, how to make this burnt garlic?
It's very simple. At first, we need to peel the garlic. Right? We need to peel the garlic. We need to evenly chop it. Very, very finely chop.
Okay.
Put some oil. Okay. Put the garlic in a very medium heat or low heat. Just give it a color.
Okay. So light golden brown.
Light golden brown.
You shouldn't make it too dark. Otherwise, it will be very bitter, right?
It will be bitter in taste. So now, Arman, what do you want me to put here? Anything else that you want me to put? Yeah, we need not sauces. No sauces. We'll add some very, very little bit of chili flakes. Okay. Some toasted sesame, okay, little bit of black pepper powder, right, and my favorite, spring onions, okay, and what we'll do is, we'll give a gentle stir, okay. So your base of the Korean noodle bowl is ready. With this, as I said, we'll give a sunny side up, okay, and a grilled chicken. Right. So for making grilled chicken, it's very easy. Just take a chicken breast,
okay,
put some black pepper powder or white pepper powder, whatever you can find, with some salt, little bit of oil in it, and marinate for 15 to 20 minutes, and then just grill it in a very hot pan.
Okay.
That's it. Okay, for this grilled chicken which I'm using, I have used little bit of red wine into it. If you have red wine, you can definitely use. You can just avoid.
Okay.
Right? Now what we are missing? We are missing something, right? We are missing the salad. Okay. Now I'll show you how to make the salad. So here goes the soup here. This is the bowl. Now what I am using in the salad is some shredded raw papaya. Okay. Little bit of Napa cabbage or Chinese cabbage. Okay, we'll put some chili flakes. Okay, very little bit of salt, little bit of black pepper powder. Okay, some toasted peanuts. Okay, some toasted peanuts. Little bit of vinegar. Okay, little bit of vinegar. And what I want you, Arman, to do is to toss it. Toss it. Yes, that's it. That is the salad that we will present in the Korean noodle bowl. So here it is. Now what we'll do is we'll plate.
Sure.
So can I have the tongs, please?
There you go.
So we'll take the noodle first. Okay, so as you have said, you have asked this question, I'll tell you that I am making a non-veg noodle bowl. If you want to have it in veg way, you can definitely use some vegetable stock. Okay, so now what we need to do is, we have already made a sunny side up. So this is our sunny side up. So sir, can I please have the spatula? Yes. So what we'll do is, we'll place here. Okay, now there is the salad. So with the tongs, is the salad over here. Okay, there you go. Now can I have the grilled chicken, please? So this is the grilled chicken. So what we'll do is turn the bowl. Here is your grilled chicken, right? So what else we need to give? Now for garnish, we'll add a little bit of chili flakes, okay? Some toasted sesame, very little one. And yes, my favorite, that is spring onions. Okay, so our Korean noodle bowl is almost ready. So just to give a very much colorful texture to it, some vibrancy into it, so we will be grilling some bell peppers and we'll be adding into it and we'll just finish it. Okay, so Arman, can I get the pan? It's done, we'll just, okay, because it's a wholesome meal, okay, anyone can have it. Just this single bowl is enough for any type of helping. Can it be lunch, can it be dinner, and in this period it is very nutritious in nature.
Now we are back with a dessert which Chef Orphan is going to make, which is jello.
So let us start. Gas on, coconut milk, a little bit of salt, sugar, and what we'll do is we will just mix it. Stir it until it gets a boil. Okay. Now we'll add some agar-agar. We will let it have a good boil. Very nice boil we need. Okay. After boiling, what we'll do is we'll add the green color that I have. This is edible green color.
Okay. So whatever color we add, the same color will take.
The same color will be getting.
Okay.
Okay.
So we got a lovely green color.
Lovely green color. We switch it off. Okay. And what we'll do is we will put it in a mold. So this is the mold.
Do we need to grease the mold?
Yes, I have already greased it with a little bit of butter.
Very good. So we grease the mold with some butter so that it doesn't stick, it comes out easily. Now once it's poured, it is set in the refrigerator. You freeze it for about 2 to 3 hours until it is set.
Now what will we do? We will keep it in the freezer and then I'll show you the end product. So this is how you make Thai jello or Thai jelly.
Absolutely stunning. I've seen this dessert first time. So I'm very grateful, Orphan, Chef Orphan, that you have come here and showed such a beautiful cuisine and an exposure to the students.
Have you loved it?
Very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you all.